In this video, you will learn how to add your vehicles to Pick Me CRM. To do this, open the Transport tab and click Add New. A form will appear that you need to fill out. The first step is to select the location where you will be renting out your vehicle, such as Bali. Then, from the drop-down list, choose the brand, model, year, and color of your bike. Set the currency for your country. Next, let's move on to filling in the fields. Specify the deposit amount so that your managers have this information, as well as the minimum rental period and pricing details. In the daily rate field, enter the price per day, for example, 150,000 rupiah. In the weekly rate field, enter the amount for a 7-day rental. Monthly rate refers to the rental cost for a month, but be sure to fill in the field with your bike's registration number and the odometer reading at the current time. This data is necessary for further vehicle statistics that in the description field provide a brief description of the bike. For example, unique features, technical condition, whether it has insurance, and so on. This field is important if you want to list your vehicle in the Pick Me app for our users and online bookings. Now let's move on to selecting photos. You can add up to 5 photos of your vehicle. The first photo you upload will be the main image and the details, and in the Pick Me app, once everything is filled out, click Save, and the vehicle will appear in the Transport section by clicking View on the toolbar. You can see detailed information about the vehicle. To edit and make changes, such as updating the odometer reading after a rental, click on the pencil icon. The Transport section will display a complete list of your vehicles. In the search bar, you can find the vehicle you need by number, model, or brand. The selected bike's details will now store its entire history and all the operations associated with it. For example, rental statistics, expense statistics, and technical condition information. Now, managing your fleet of bikes has become even easier and more convenient.